this mass exponential increase.
Well, just think about it, because what we've always been told is, like, what are we going to do in the millennium? Like, oh, temple work. It's going to be all temple work. And it's like, okay, but that's
where the church is going.
That's where we're going. Like, it's like, okay, let's, like, less hours of church, less focus on chapel worship. And like, it's all focus. It's all gearing up towards temple work. Let's hit it hard. And like, that's very much the spirit of the millennium. Yeah.
I mean, the idea that we may already be in the millennial reign, like that's actually started, that's kicked off, and we're in those preparatory stages now for Christ returning, which we know we are. We just haven't previously, or at least I haven't previously considered that as part of the millennial reign of Christ. But this seems to indicate, no, that actually is. There are these preparatory steps that have to take place first. And it's like, man, we may be there. Once again, we might be living in the middle of Revelation being fulfilled, and we're too blind to see it a lot of the time.
That's what jumped off the page to me. That's like, my jaw kind of hit the floor when I was reading this. I was like, wait, this is saying that, like, the preparation for the second coming, like, happens in the seventh seal. And it clearly says 1,000 year periods. Like, it doesn't leave a whole lot of room for interpretation unless you're not trying to interpret it literally here. But I feel like the whole point of these Q&As is to demystify what was figurative. So the responses, we shouldn't be assuming the responses that we're getting from the Lord are figurative. Those are the interpretations of what's figurative. It's making it plain. And it's hard to deny that what it says here, that the seven angels, the trumpets, it's preparing the finishing of the work, and the finishing of the work is in the beginning of the seventh 1,000 years, and this is in preparation to his coming. I mean, I guess you could make the argument that, you know, there becomes in 2034, then he'll reign for 1,000 years, and there'll be an extra 34 years after the 7,000 seal. That doesn't seem right. When you have to start justifying like that, that doesn't. No, like that's.
You want it to be a little more succinct than
that? Yeah, it has to be. It has to be understandable. You shouldn't need a doctorate degree to understand the eternal round. That's my opinion. Okay. But tell us in the comments how wrong we are. We know you guys enjoy doing that. All right. Hey, we're just two dudes talking about the gospel. That's all. We never claimed to be anything else.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.